Let's explore two important biochemistry topics: ester bands and the urea cycle. Ester bands. An ester band forms when a carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol, releasing water. In biology, ester bands are crucial. For example, fatty acids join to glycerol through ester bands to make triglycerides, the main storage form of fat. So, ester bands are stored energy. Now, the urea cycle. When we digest proteins, our bodies produce ammonia, and ammonia is toxic. The urea cycle, which happens in the liver, converts ammonia into urea, a much safer compound. That urea is then carried by the blood to the kidneys and removed in urine. This way, our body keeps nitrogen levels safe and balanced. So in short, ester bands helps us store energy, and the urea cycle helps us eliminate toxic waste. Both are essential for life.